Hi, it's Charlie from Yorkshire Pergolas. We're at the end of the building of our display for Chatsworth show. The guys have done an amazing job, worked really hard, but we've got a great display for you here. I mean, we've got this beautiful off-white one here. As you can see, it's just absolute state of art. Very tired, so forgive me. We've got another gorgeous sort of forest green coloured one here. 5 metre by 3 metre. This one's 4 metre by 3.5. It's got lots of accessories like lighting in the roof, sliding shutters, zip blinds that go up and down, sliding glasses, everything really be looking for. So if you're looking for some inspiration for a garden pergola and you want something that's both quality and value for money, durability, European made products, I must add, come along to the Chatsworth show this Friday, Saturday, Sunday, well tomorrow, Saturday and Sunday. You'll find us, we're on one of the main boulevards as they call them, and come and have a chat with us. Even if you don't want to buy one, come and have a chat with us. All right, cheers, bye.